Hello guys, so today I'm going to teach you how you can install Windows 11 on your unsupported PC. Now there may be reasons as to why your device cannot support Windows 11, and this includes having a weak or an outdated chip. So with the new updates from Microsoft, you can easily access Windows 11 on your device even though it does not support. But there are some few caveats to this. As you can see, Microsoft is allowing Windows 11 on unsupported devices. So you scroll down, you can also see positive reviews, but the caveat is Microsoft says that it will not support updates on Windows 11 for unsupported devices. So you are just going to only have Windows 11 installed on your device, but it cannot have any updates. As you can see here, it clearly states this on the official Windows 11 website. So make sure that you are aware of these risks. Now, if you do want to proceed forward, you can go to this official Windows 11 website. I'll put a link on the description. You're going to easily scroll down up to where you find this option for download Windows 11 disk image ISO for 64-bit devices. So you're going to select on Windows 11 multi-ISO for x64 devices. You're going to hit download now. As your file is downloading, you're going to head over to your Windows taskbar and you're going to type in registry editor. You're going to run this app. Now under here, you will put this configuration, MoSetup. As you can see here, I'll put it in the description. So once you head over to here, it's not yet available on my device. I have not updated my device, but it will work on your device. Now you will find a page that looks like this. You are going to right click on it and select new. And then you're going to select DWORD 32-bit value, and then you're going to rename this folder to. So as you can see, you're going to name your configuration as this one, and then you're going to select enter. Once you've named this device, you are going to right click on it and press modify, and you're going to change this value to, you're going to change this value to 1, and you're going to press OK. Once you press OK, you're going to head over to your downloaded file. And then you're going, let's assume this is my downloaded file. You are just going to press setup. This is the Windows 11 update, and it will automatically start to download on your device. Now, that is a very straightforward method. So if this works for you, please comment and tell me whether it has worked for you. Like and subscribe.